Good morning, students. Today we will do the 12C multiply and divide. So the rule is similar. How you know the rules? Same way I did some of the sums, just you follow. So second one I have taken. Second number question 118.56 rupees into 14. So first of all I have to arrange it in a properly. So multiply as you are doing in a simple multiply, that way only we will do. You don't think the point is given now, just you put it here, but we will do the multiply in a simple method. So how we are multiplying, you see, you can see I have done in a very simple way. First of all, this 4 I have given multiply to all of these numbers. So I got it this. Then one place I left, and then by the 1 I have multiplied this all of the numbers. So then this one has come. So as per the rule of the multiply, we will add it all. So after adding this, my answer has come. So at the final answer, we will write rupees this one, and the point we will put at the question. You can see after 2 digit is the point given. So same way in the answer also, we will just give the point after 2 digit, from the right to left, from ones place. So from 1 digit, 2 digit, after I have given the point. So same way in the answer also I have written, you can see. So similarly I did the number 8 also. In this 3 numbers are given 125, you can see. By 125 we have to give the multiply to all of them. So 3 step it will be like this. You have done these things in the previous class also, and the sums are given in the earlier, in the some other chapters, and that also multiply you did. So same thing only we are doing, just you need to know the process properly. So the after multiplying this all, you will have to give point at the same place. So after giving this multiply, you can see first of all by the 5 I have given multiply, so this one I got, and then by the 2 I have given multiply, so this number I got. Then by the 1 I have given multiply to also, this number I got. So as per the rule of the multiply, we will add these all the 3 steps, and then we will add it, and then at finally we will count the digit number, how many after digit is the point given. So accordingly in the answer also we will give the point after that much digits. So 2 digits in the question, you can see. Same way in the answer also, after 2 digit I have given the point. Then finally we will write the answer, rupees 14,425 rupees. These 2 zeros as you like, you wants to give, you can give. Otherwise if you are not giving, then also it's okay, no problem, because after the point zeros are have no value. So we can write only this also as a answer, no problem is there. Okay, then we will meet in the next video.